There's a reason why people love Chinese food. It's more than just delicious, it's an adventure. Every bite is a journey for your senses. Few dishes embody this more than the mighty dumpling. From the bustling streets of Beijing to the dim sum restaurants of Hong Kong, dumplings are everywhere. They're a testament to Chinese culinary ingenuity. Dumplings are as diverse as the people of China. Each region has its own unique take. They are a delicious tapestry woven from centuries of tradition. Whether they're steamed, boiled, pan-fried, or deep-fried, one thing remains constant. Dumplings are pure comfort food. They're little pockets of joy. But there's more to dumplings than meets the eye. They're not just food, they're a symbol of family, reunion, and good fortune. They're a reminder of home. So let's embark on a culinary journey. Let's explore the wonderful world of Chinese dumplings. Get ready to be hungry. This is going to be delicious. In China, dumplings are more than just a meal. They're an integral part of the culture. They're deeply intertwined with tradition and history. For centuries, dumplings have graced tables during festivals and special occasions. They're a symbol of prosperity and good luck. Their crescent shape resembles ancient Chinese silver ingots. During the Lunar New Year, families gather to make dumplings together. It's a cherished tradition. The process is a labor of love. Generations come together to chop, fill, and fold. Each dumpling holds within it a wish for the coming year. One lucky dumpling might even contain a coin. Finding the coin promises good fortune, but every dumpling is a little treasure. They're filled with savory meats, fresh vegetables, and aromatic spices. Eating dumplings is a communal experience. It's about sharing food and stories. It's about connecting with loved ones. The history of the dumpling is as rich and flavorful as the dumplings themselves. These delectable bites have graced tables for almost 2,000 years. Their origins can be traced back to the Han Dynasty. This period saw a flourishing of Chinese culture and cuisine. Legend has it that dumplings were invented by a resourceful chef. During a particularly harsh winter, food was scarce. People were suffering from the cold. The chef wanted to create a dish that was both nourishing and warming. He combined flour, water, and meat. Then he boiled these parcels in broth. Thus, the dumpling was born. These early dumplings provided sustenance and comfort. They quickly gained popularity throughout China. Over the centuries, dumpling recipes evolved and diversified. Each region added its own unique twist. From humble beginnings, dumplings became an integral part of Chinese culinary tradition. They've been enjoyed by emperors and commoners alike. Their enduring appeal is a testament to their versatility and deliciousness. Dumplings are steeped in Chinese mythology and folklore. One famous legend tells the story of Pangu, the creator of the world. His ears are said to have transformed into dumplings. This tale highlights the deep connection between dumplings and Chinese culture. Another legend attributes the invention of dumplings to Zhang Zhongjing. His recipe, called jiaozi, is believed to be the precursor to modern-day dumplings. The connection between dumplings and medicine runs deep. In traditional Chinese medicine, food is considered to be a form of preventative healthcare. Dumplings, with their balanced combination of ingredients, were seen as both nourishing and healing. The dough, made from wheat flour, provided carbohydrates for energy. The fillings, often rich in protein and vegetables, supplied essential nutrients. Spices like ginger and garlic were believed to have medicinal properties. They added flavor and boosted the immune system. Dumplings were often consumed during the winter solstice. This is the shortest day of the year. People believed that eating dumplings on this day would ward off illness and bring good luck in the coming year. The act of making dumplings was also seen as therapeutic. Families would gather together, sharing stories and laughter as they folded these little parcels of goodness. The warmth of the kitchen, the aroma of the filling, and the camaraderie of loved ones created a sense of well-being. The world of Chinese dumplings is vast and varied. Each region boasts its own unique creations. From the delicate folds of wontons to the hearty bites of baozi, there's a dumpling for every palate. Some are steamed, others boiled, and some pan-fried to crispy perfection. The fillings are just as diverse. You'll find everything from succulent pork belly to earthy mushrooms. Seafood, tofu, and vegetables add to the symphony of flavors. The beauty of dumplings lies in their versatility. They can be enjoyed as a snack, a light meal, or a main course. They can be savory or sweet, spicy or mild. The possibilities are endless. In this culinary journey, we'll explore two of the most popular and beloved types of Chinese dumplings, potstickers and soup dumplings. These iconic dishes represent the pinnacle of dumpling mastery. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. We're about to dive into a world of flavor and texture. Potstickers, or guo tai in Mandarin, are a staple in Chinese cuisine. Their name, quite literally, describes how they're cooked. These crescent-shaped dumplings are pan-fried on one side. This creates a crispy, golden brown crust. The other side is steamed to a soft, delicate texture. The contrast between the crispy bottom and the tender filling is divine. It's a textural masterpiece. The filling is typically made with ground pork, but variations abound. Shrimp, chicken, beef, and vegetables all find their way into potstickers. Aromatics like ginger, garlic, and scallions add a burst of flavor. Potstickers are traditionally served with a dipping sauce. Soy sauce, vinegar, chili oil, and sesame oil are common ingredients. The sauce adds a tangy, savory depth that perfectly complements the dumplings. Whether you're enjoying them as a street food snack or a satisfying meal, potstickers are sure to please. They're a testament to the ingenuity of Chinese cooking. Each bite is an explosion of flavor and texture. Soup dumplings, or xiaolongbao, are a true culinary marvel. These delicate parcels hold a flavorful broth and savory filling. Originating in Shanghai, they are a local delicacy. The name xiaolongbao translates to small basket buns. The secret lies in the gelatinized broth. As the dumplings steam, the gelatin melts, creating a rich soup. The dumplings are carefully pleated and pinched at the top. Eating soup dumplings is an art form. Nibble a small hole to release the steam and enjoy the broth. Making Chinese dumplings is a culinary art form passed down through generations. It's a labor of love, requiring patience, skill, and a touch of artistry. While the process may seem daunting at first, it's surprisingly achievable. With a little practice, anyone can master the basics. The first step is preparing the dough. It's a simple mixture of wheat flour and water, kneaded until smooth and elastic. The dough is then rested, allowing the gluten to relax. This results in a tender yet slightly chewy texture. While the dough rests, the filling is prepared. This is where creativity knows no bounds. Ground meat, seafood, vegetables, and aromatics are combined to create a symphony of flavors. Seasonings vary widely, but soy sauce, ginger, and garlic are staples. Once the dough and filling are ready, the real fun begins, the art of shaping. There are countless ways to fold and pleat dumplings, each region boasting its own signature style. From simple half-moons to intricate flower buds, the possibilities are endless. Crafting perfect potstickers is a dance of heat and precision. It begins with a hot skillet, lightly coated with oil. The dumplings are arranged flat side down. The bottoms sizzle and crisp, turning golden brown. Add a small amount of water. Place the lid on top to steam. This creates the signature texture, crispy bottom, tender top. Making soup dumplings is a delicate art, requiring a mastery of technique and a gentle touch. The key lies in creating a flavorful broth that solidifies when chilled, but melts into a savory soup when steamed. This is achieved by using a stock that's rich in gelatin, often made from pork bones or chicken feet. The stock is seasoned to perfection, then chilled until it sets into a jelly-like consistency. The chilled broth is then cut into small cubes and incorporated into the filling. The dumplings are meticulously pleated and pinched at the top, ensuring that no precious broth escapes during steaming. The dumplings are carefully placed in a bamboo steamer basket lined with parchment paper. They're steamed over boiling water, allowing the heat to work its magic. As the dumplings steam, the gelatinized broth melts, transforming into a pool of savory goodness within each delicate parcel. The world of Chinese dumplings is a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. From the crispy perfection of potstickers to the delicate magic of soup dumplings, each bite is a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of Chinese cuisine. These little parcels of joy are more than just food. They're vessels of culture, tradition, and history. They're a reminder of the importance of family, community, and sharing a meal with loved ones. So, gather your ingredients, embrace the art of dumpling making, and embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and warm your heart. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious beginner, the world of Chinese dumplings welcomes you with open arms and steaming baskets. Get ready to experience the magic of these culinary treasures. Venture north in China, and you'll discover a world of dumplings shaped by colder climates and a love for hearty flavors. Northern Chinese dumplings, like the people who make them, are robust and full of character. Wheat flour reigns supreme in the north. It yields a chewier, more substantial dough. These dumplings are often larger than their southern counterparts. They're generously filled with savory meats and vegetables. Think juicy pork and cabbage seasoned with warming spices like ginger and garlic. Potstickers or guo tai are a northern specialty. They're pan-fried to crispy perfection, creating a satisfying contrast of textures. Dipping sauces in the north tend to be bold and savory, often featuring soy sauce, vinegar, chili oil, and sesame paste. These rich flavors perfectly complement the hearty nature of northern dumplings. One bite, and you'll understand why these dumplings have become a beloved staple in northern Chinese cuisine. They're a testament to the region's culinary ingenuity. They're a delicious way to warm up on a cold day. Section 2. Southern Charms. Delicate and diverse. Journey south, and you'll encounter a world of dumplings as diverse as the region itself. Southern Chinese dumplings are known for their delicate flavors, intricate designs, and a wider variety of ingredients. Rice flour often makes an appearance in southern doughs. This results in a thinner, more translucent wrapper. Southern dumplings are often smaller and more delicately flavored than their northern counterparts. Fillings showcase the region's abundant seafood and fresh produce. Shrimp, crab, and fish are popular choices. They're often paired with aromatic herbs and vegetables like chives, bamboo shoots, and water chestnuts. Steaming is a favored cooking method in the South. It preserves the delicate flavors and textures of the dumplings. Dipping sauces tend to be lighter and brighter, often featuring soy sauce, vinegar, ginger, and chili flakes. Whether you're savoring the delicate folds of wontons in a flavorful broth or indulging in the intricate designs of hargao, Southern Chinese dumplings offer a symphony of flavors and textures. The beauty of Chinese dumplings lies not only in their variety, but also in their ability to transcend regional boundaries. While each region has its own unique take on the dumpling, these culinary treasures have become a shared heritage. They're a symbol of Chinese culture and identity. From the bustling streets of Beijing to the vibrant night markets of Hong Kong, dumplings are a common thread that connects people from all walks of life. They're a reminder of the unifying power of food. As you travel through China, you'll discover countless regional variations on the dumpling theme. In the western province of Sichuan, dumplings are known for their fiery flavors. They're often seasoned with Sichuan peppercorns, chili oil, and fermented black beans. In the coastal city of Shanghai, soup dumplings reign supreme. They're a testament to the city's culinary sophistication and love for delicate flavors. Each region tells its own story through its dumplings, showcasing its unique culinary traditions and local ingredients. From their humble beginnings in ancient China, these little pockets of joy have traversed mountains and oceans, captivating hearts and stomachs worldwide. Today, Chinese dumplings are a global phenomenon. They're enjoyed by people from all walks of life, transcending cultural and culinary boundaries. Walk down any Chinatown street, from the bustling markets of Bangkok to the vibrant alleys of New York City, and you'll be greeted by the irresistible aroma of steaming dumplings. They're a testament to the universal appeal of comfort food. They've become a staple in homes and restaurants around the world. Chefs are putting their own creative spins on these culinary classics. The global embrace of Chinese dumplings speaks volumes about their versatility and enduring appeal. They're a blank canvas for culinary creativity, adaptable to a wide range of flavors and ingredients. Whether they're served as a quick snack, a satisfying appetizer, or a complete meal, Chinese dumplings have secured their place on the world's culinary stage. Chinese dumplings are more than just a delicious meal. They're a symbol of cultural heritage, a testament to culinary ingenuity, and a reminder of the importance of family and tradition. They embody the spirit of sharing, of gathering around the table with loved ones to savor a meal made with care and love. The act of making dumplings is often a family affair, a time for generations to come together, share stories, and passed down culinary traditions. So, what is it about Chinese dumplings that continues to captivate taste buds worldwide? Perhaps it's the perfect marriage of textures. The delicate yet slightly chewy dough, the savory and flavorful fillings, the satisfying contrast of crispy and tender. Or maybe it's the sheer versatility of the dumpling. From the hearty potstickers of the north to the delicate soup dumplings of the south, there's a dumpling for every palate and occasion. The beauty of the dumpling lies in its simplicity. It's a blank canvas for culinary exploration, a vessel for endless flavor combinations. Whether they're filled with meats, seafood, or vegetables, Chinese dumplings offer a world of flavor in every bite. There's something undeniably comforting about a steaming basket of dumplings. They evoke a sense of warmth, nostalgia, and connection. They're a reminder of home, family, and simple pleasures. In a fast-paced world, there's something to be said for the enduring appeal of a humble dumpling. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.